Hi sisters! Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hi, my name is Ella and you should subscribe because I upload videos every single Saturday and it's a very good vibe here. So it has been a hot minute since I've done a proper makeup video on my channel besides the one I did with Emily a few weeks ago. There's a trend going around, so it's basically a challenge that makeup artists are doing where they have their friends draw a makeup look and then they have to try to recreate it. And it seemed really fun, so that is what I'm going to do today. I also want to give a shout out to my friend Sera because she is the one who suggested I did this video, and she also drew one of the looks that I'm going to be doing today. So I'm going to go ahead and do my base makeup off camera and I will be back in 2 seconds. Alright, so the base is on and we're going to get started with the first look. I asked 3 of my friends to draw me a look for this video. The first one we are going to do is from my friend Cristian. He is the only male we have in this video today. Here's the look he created. So it's basically like a pastel, colorful look. And he said, I had no idea what I'm doing, just do a sunset look. So I'm gonna just try to do a pastel sunset look. And he also drew like these pink lines on his cheek. Going to first use this Morphe 351 Icy Fantasy palette. And I'm gonna use this light purple shade and put that on my lid. Next, I'm gonna take the pastel pink that is in this palette and just blend it on top of that. So here's how she's looking so far. And I'm actually really happy with how it's coming out. But I don't know, she's kind of cute. And now we're going to move on to the orange. So the last color is going to be yellow, and the Morphe palette that I was using doesn't really have a yellow in it, so I'm just going to use a tiny bit of the yellow from the James Charles palette. Okay, so I'm going to have to clean it up a little bit and do the other eye, but I think that is one eye all done. Okay, so I'm finished with the eye look. And I also just added some mascara. The next thing to do is add the pink lines on my cheeks. I think I'm gonna use this Too Faced Melted lipstick. I'm gonna take an angled brush and so here is the first side with the lines. So I'm finished with the lines. This side definitely looks a lot better than this side. It's a little uneven, but I think it's good enough. So the last step is just to add lipstick. So here's the completed look. I think it turned out pretty good. So I tried to see if Cristian could FaceTime, but he was unable to, so I just sent him a picture of it and he responded with, "Yas, queen!" So I'm gonna go wipe this off and we are going to do the second look. Okay, so we're back and we're gonna do the next look. I turned the lights on in my room because it was starting to get kind of dark. So the next look, quite scared of it, but we're gonna try. It is from my friend Sera, who I mentioned earlier. This is the look. Honestly, I'm not surprised because Sera's style is quite dark and gothic, so I'm not surprised she wanted me to do a look like this. So it's gonna take a lot of eyeliner. Okay, so I'm just gonna start off by just doing a normal winged liner. I'm gonna take the gel liner and an eyeliner brush and just kind of draw in the rest. I've literally never done this before in my life. That looks so bad. That is not a triangle whatsoever. That's as good as it's gonna get. Sera, I hope you're happy. Okay, well I'm gonna do the other eye off camera and I'll be back in a sec. It's so uneven, but if you've used eyeliner before, you know it stains like crazy, so there's no starting over. It's just not gonna happen. Here's the look. So all that being said, let's move on to the next look. Okay, so it's like 3 days later. But we're gonna do the last look. So the last look is from my friend Savie. She's been wanting me to do like a corpse bride makeup look for a long time, and I just haven't done it yet. She wants me to do like the corpse bride contour, like a blue faded smoky eye with like white sparkles on top and gold liner. I actually really like this look. So I think the James Charles palette basically has every color I need. Something that I have noticed about these looks is they kind of represent each of my friends' personalities and styles. Like Cristian, you know, he listens to Cave Town, he plays Animal Crossing, he's like a soft indie boy. Sera, like I said, very dark and gothic. And Savie, you know, she likes movies and TV shows, so Corpse Bride. And I don't know like how or why, but I feel like this eyeshadow look is very much her style. Okay, so I'm pretty much done with the contouring. So I'm just gonna take some white concealer and put it on an eyeliner brush and just do the white dots along the crease. So basically I just finished up the gold eyeliner. When I was contouring, I forgot to contour my nose, so I went ahead and contoured my nose. Just put on some mascara and some lipstick. So now we're gonna FaceTime Savie and see what she thinks. She didn't answer. So anyways, that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!